Hey everybody, I'm with Front Range Storm Contractors. Just want to show you real quick. Remember earlier these shingles I showed you, they had kind of three triple coverage, so you had like 1, 2, and 3 shingles tall. So because of that, this is what our typical starter looks like right here. And then we have these special starter shingles that match the color of the shingles, and they're 2 shingles tall, so that we can get proper nailing and proper coverage as far as the thickness of how many layers, because you've got on those shingles there, you've got 2 or 3 depending on if you're talking about this piece or this piece here. Like this one has 2 and this one has 3 times the coverage, so we need at least 2 times the coverage on the starter as well. All right, everybody have a great day.